Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Speech. Today we have one problematic laptop in our shop. The problem is Windows installation error. In this problem we need to troubleshoot at first, and secondary we need to clean the hard disk via command promote. At first we need to check the problem where it occurs. This is a 500 GB hard disk. When I'm deleting the partition, I can't able to delete. Even in downside, it's showing Windows cannot be installed in this device like that. In this scenario, we need to go the command promote first to clean the hard disk. Cancel the installation and then click the repair your computer. In that troubleshoot advanced option, then go to command promote. Type the following commands: disk part without space and click enter, and then list space disk. Here is two disks showing in my PC. Disk 0, that is 465 GB, it's my laptop hard disk. Then disk 1 is my pen drive, bootable pen drive. First you need to select the disk 0 to clean, then clean. After cleaning the hard disk, install your Windows. Almost now 31 percentage. If you have any doubts in this video, comment below. I will reply you. Support and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, friends.